So you're working away, Marie.
Yeah.
So we've got the cottage here that we're looking to fix up. We made it so far with the electric truck.
I don't want to see that.
Yeah, the
That's a
F1,
disaster.
but the F-150 Lightning made it here at freezing temperatures, basically freezing temperatures, and we made it without having to stop and charge, and we're still well above halfway point, even though we drove for an hour and a half.
We'll be fine to go back home.
Yeah, we drove for an hour and a half. We'll be able to do 3 hours of driving without any issues, but this is what we've got to work with. And the front windows have been broken into, so over the years, someone has broken into was the family cottage, but we haven't come in a couple years, and there has been a little bit of vandalism. So someone definitely broke in through the side window, and this is going to need either to be torn down and redone, or possibly, what do you think here? So far it's looking like a tear down and rebuild.
Yeah, it looks like a tear down, and because of the water that's on the lot, I'm not sure if we will have a structural problem.
Yeah, well, the neighbors, they actually built up, so let's check this out. Go check it out where the neighbors, both neighbors, have actually raised up their lots. I don't think it's very legal, but they raised up their lots so much that this lot is become a swamp. So you see back there, they've raised up their lot by a couple feet, and over here behind us, behind that Lightning, well, they raised also raised up their lot. So what do you get? You get a little swamp. That's not great. This isn't looking good. This is looking like a big bite and a lot to chew on. Got some holes in the roof that have at least been patched up, but let's go inside and see how bad things are on the inside. You're a little scared to go in, aren't you?
Yes, I'm so scared. Because maybe your parents told us that there could be dead raccoons in it.
Well, they made it out with those windows being broken, but let's see if there's homeless people or whatnot living in there, because someone was definitely going through the window to get in and out of this place.
I'll take the shovel that we
I think you should bring and the hammer. I'll put on my tool belt and I'll have the hammer there for safety.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the front door open because we filmed the jack underneath the house and it started to raise it. We're going to level out these bricks, but the real difficulty is because the neighbors have raised up their lot. It has made this lot very wet and soggy to the point where even the toilet plumbing has fallen apart because the angle underneath the house, too used to doing work on vehicles. So yeah, we've got a soggy foundation, and that's a major problem. So we've jacked it up. We'll throw some bricks underneath this so we can actually open the door. But we have opened the door because now we're more at level. All right, I think we have a bit of a problem here.
I guess it's a tear down because I see the light from the roof.
You see the light at the end of the tunnel for the cottage. Oh yeah, that's outside. Look at that.
Oh man.
Well, that's not good.
Nope, that's not good.
So
it's all black and moldy.
Oh yeah, that's not good at all.
No. It's more than just doing some renovation stuff and have a cute little decoration.
No, not just a cute little renovation, is it?
No.
That's a big...
The roof is not there.
Yeah, that's a tear down.
Oh my.
And you can see it from the roof over here, the spots where water's clearly been sitting on there. Yeah, you can give it a little poke. Light. Yeah, just push on it.
Oh no, it's hard.
It's hard?
We're good.
Well,
there it's not all hard.
Here we're not so good, and from the light that's against that wall, there's some outside light here too, so yeah. Yeah, we're gonna need to rethink our plan here.
We will need a big container.
Yeah. Well, we do have the river behind us, but we also have a bit of an issue. The neighbor raised their lot a couple feet easily. Some places about 4 feet near the end because they slanted it down 2 feet. So all the water comes right over on this side of the property. So you really see the difference there in height. And it has killed the foundation underneath the cottage. So the cottage has moved all around, really making it actually so the windows break, the door won't open. So we did level it out a little, so just so we could get through the door. So we threw, of course, a car jack underneath, jacked up the cottage, leveled it out with some rocks, and you can hear the door kind of click open. So we're able to make it inside, but I don't think this is going to be something that we can save. I think we need to start all over, which is really too bad, because if it wasn't for the wet foundation and the roof has holes in it, we could have just redone the roof, done a gallery, put in a new toilet system, septic system, but now we even have the problem of the lot kind of being really problematic because it's wet all over because of that height difference. You see against the back of the cabans there, they really are a couple feet higher right up to the cabans, and it's a bit of a lake back here. So it's not pretty. Lots and lots of work, so stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on what we do with this, but we do want to have a place, family memories from my childhood, family memories for years to come. We want to have this place to bring the jet skis, test out jet skis here, test vehicles on the way from our main residence to here, have a nice long drive, an hour and a half here, an hour and a half home. Gives us a proper testing, 3 hours on the road with test vehicles, so that'd be just perfect, and then spend the weekend jet skiing. So stay tuned, we'll let you know what we do. I will tell you we've got a bit of a crappy problem. The plumbing even detached because the cottage shifted and the angle changed because of that wet soggy base. So even the toilet plumbing to the septic tank is now destroyed, and because of new environmental laws, the old septic system needs to be replaced anyways. I think we're starting all over. Marie definitely thinks we're starting all over. So Marie, do you want to, say bye to the JCCR community here?
Yeah, I only have one thing to say.
What's that?
The best part in renovation TV shows is demo day.
Demo day, lovely.
Demolition.
So I don't know what to say, but usually it's more cars and more power, but here maybe more vacation and relaxation after we do a whole lot of work. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. We made it back home the other day from the cottage, but here's the thing. We were quite worried about range, and really we would have had a lot more trouble if we didn't have the new update, which made hands-free driving a lot better. And it also made the range calculator a lot better because it does it live. We could see we were going up a hill and we went from pretty much empty, 34 kilometers to empty, down to 31. So it adjusted that hill into our trajectory. And also it's going to be pretty important that you do get these free upgrades, these free updates by connecting the truck to your home, to your house's Wi-Fi, and having Ford Pass. So we're going to be talking about that in upcoming videos. And we're also going to be installing the bed cover finally. So the bed cover, it'll help you whether you have a Ford Maverick, really any truck on the market. Those bed covers install all the same way. So ours is a roll up, so join us. And Marie, if we look over here, Marie's gonna be not a very difficult install, but she's gonna be installing the letters Maverick, the lettering on the back for Maverick, those chrome letters that she got. So stay tuned. You're gonna wanna just, please enjoy our videos, like and subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out any of our videos, and follow along for more progress, hopefully, with the cottage. But before the progress, it looks like there'll be a huge tear down. So thank you very much for following along and checking out our upcoming videos. Take care, everybody.